Right, got it in the daylight. Let's get as many photos as we can of all the nice details on this. Screens on the backs of the seats. Nice. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you. Yeah, when I blow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. In real life, be living out my dreams. Okay, how are we gonna start this? Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership never asked the price. I hit the molly ball with my dogs. Yeah, I swiped you once without thinking twice. Cause this what I was made for. Man, I know this what I came for on the big stage. Okay, steering wheel slightly turned. Yeah, that's the gangster. Yeah, chains on me like Django. Be a long way from my tank low. Cause my Tesla charge for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding. Money on my mind. And I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds. But all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me. Right, one thing I do for these shoots is I write a little shot list to make sure I don't forget certain things. So let's have a look at that now. So we've got close-ups, wides, interior shots, low and close, compressed, high angles, wheels, 70mm shot of the car, nice and low. I'm just going to do one more round with the car, making sure I've got all the nice badges and stuff. Exhausts. Look, since I blew up, everybody telling me that I'm the man. Same people gave me the finger, they reaching out for me to give a hand. In a different city and my pills came, cause this tour don't happen, I feel pain. And the girl with me say she down for life, but she don't even know it's my real name. Just try to get what she came for. And ain't nothing I got safe though, cause when the money go wild, everybody get a piece, but it's looking like I ain't on the payroll. Got a big house made out of Play-Doh, and a plastic crown for my halo, but still a long way from my tank low, cause my Tesla charge for them bank rolls, and I'm grinding. Money on my mind, and I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name and kind of move it out, right out to the front here. Create a bit of separation. Well, nice chill shoot so far. Not a bad car to be shooting today. It sounds awesome. Inside it is properly nice. Very smooth to drive at slow speeds, which is all I'm doing right now. Slight wheel turn. Let's see how that looks. You come back with me. So I was just talking to Jörg about this car, and the body kit alone is 80,000 euros. Yeah, I'd like a different setting now for it as well. This thing does look fucking nuts. Probably get that angle. So it's got the badge. Right, while we're in the sunlight, let's get some nice macro shots of the paint and the carbon fibre.
Next thing, I'm going to fly the drone because I love the way the drone shots look. The sun is nice now, so we'll get some unique angles. Got an ND16 on it. ND16 CPL.
Take off. Home point updated.
Well, that drone just crashed into my head. It knocked off the polarizer, which is annoying. Is it still good? Can confirm, you can fly a DJI drone into your own head and it's fine. What I should do is check my shot list, make sure I've got everything I wanted. Just change this lens back to the old faithful.
Kind of want one of these.
It's nice. Sounds nice. It does sound good. That's stock. Okay. So. Taking the Range Rover to another location close by, hopefully get some different shots.
Alright, thanks for staying tuned so far. We're about halfway through the video now. Your free preset is there. If you just click that link, it'll take you straight through to my website. You do have to put your details in, but you won't get charged. I would appreciate a like on the video because it really helps me out, and I'll try and keep giving out free presets every time I put a video out there. I'll try and link a preset to it as well. Cheers.
So keep going, about another 10 meters. Yeah, that's sick. That's what we need. This is going to be good. Keep going backwards. Window up. This is sick. Yeah, that's good how they are. They're pretty much on, I think. As on as they could be, I suppose. There's people in this office going to be like, what the fuck is this guy taking pictures of us for?
Pretty that.
It's just giving me the thumbs up. It is pretty, isn't it? It looks sick, mate. I love getting these like loading bay shots, like getting above a car as well. Looks so good. Yeah, this is what you need. Shots like this. No, I'm buzzing now because whenever I shoot straight outside the detailing shop, I'm always a bit like, it's just like every other photo you have of a car in front of a detailing shop. It looks cool, but like this is like a fucking like this is a scene. You know what I mean? Everyone's looking out the window. It's like the most interesting things happen to them all day in the office. Oh, there we go.
Ja, ik leef het sleutel met één zo. Grappig toch? Leuk is een beetje saai, maar... Ja, die is echt mooi. Ik wil ze niet schoonmaken, maar... Ja. Nee, ik mag gewoon even... Ja, dankjewel.
I'm glad you're here to do all that talking. Like normally I have to like talk to people. I'm like, oh god. Got like, what'd you say?
You're leaving it here.
You're
handing me the keys, or?
That's gangster.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's just a vibe, isn't it?
Yeah. I said, no, I said, yeah. I'll...
I want the wheel.
It's expensive.
She said, you know the rent of the location is 25 euros an hour.
I thought she said that. Should just say Bill the owner.
I'll bring your case of beer. She's like, no, let's do red wine.
I thought I heard wine as well. Oh,
Like that.
this is what I needed. This is my kind of location, mate. I love this. And also just that angle like above the car, especially a car like this. So dope. Parkour! I can maybe just bring it central and then to about here. I'm just going to switch my lens to another one. To a long one. Actually, I'm going to use the 85. Ooh!
At a young age, you'll be forced to mature more. This was sorrow becomes nature. But you must always remember God is within you, black man, and for that they're gonna hate you. Kick and choke you in the street, kill you or disgrace you. Treat you like you less than human every time they face you. And Lord knows I go crazy, I couldn't bear the pain. That's why our prayers include the families of those slain. Those black bodies transition to minor strange fruit. I'm sorry and cursed, but fuck police, I wish the pain too.
Couple more shots with the long lens, and then I think we are ready.
son, not the world on your shoulders. Protect you from filthy pigs like before that's been the
Slightly moving forward a bit.
stay strong, sharp and aware. A grim truth that's just the youth to be sure you prepared. This world at times can be severe. It makes no sense as a father raising a son in the country living in fear, but we here. And Pop's gonna lead you instead. And every day expose your greatness while uplifting your spirits. I'ma teach you how your blackness is gifted from God. And no matter how they see you, you'll see yourself eating eyes. You had the confidence, the love, all the tools to exude light. Intuitive and not a thug or they shrewd stereotypes, my baby boy. I know at your age this a lot to take up, but I must prepare you for America.